Hold my hand and walk with me. There is something sweet to see. Down beside the waterside, where the little fishes hide. Biya finds a leaf of red, floating on its waterbed. Gently, gently off it goes, past the pond flowers in a row. Berry bunny hops nearby, watching as the leaf floats by. Toto follows from above, leading with a smile of love. Float along, little leaf, on the crystal blue. Rainbow pond is waiting there, just for me and you. Drift along, safe and sound, past the flowers all around. Float along, little leaf, across Rainbow Pond. Underneath the little bridge, past the grassy pondside ridge, friendly fishes peek and play, waving as it floats away. Round the lily pads it goes, where the gentle water flows. Biya laughs and points to see what the next surprise will be. Rainbow colors dance below, in the water soft and slow. Toto skips across the pond to the little woods beyond. Berry bunny waves hello to the fish that swim below. Friends together side by side, on a gentle pond side ride. Float along, little leaf, on the crystal blue. Rainbow pond is waiting there, just for me and you. Past the bridge and lily pads, past the fishes too. Float along, little leaf, we're floating along with you. Now the little leaf slows down, near the edge of Moonberry town. Biya smiles and waves goodbye.